You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name correctly. The name of Arabic origin, meaning helper or supporter. In Arabic, if you want to learn more Arabic names, stay tuned to the channel. Nasir, Nasir, and you can skip to the end of the video. There are many more pronunciations for you there. In English, the pronunciation is similarly as Nasir, Nasir. From Arabic, Nasir. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.